Let's look at an example using the associative property. If I'm trying to add 16 plus 7 plus 3, the parentheses around 7 plus 3 tell me to add that first. So 7 plus 3 is 10, and then I can add 16 plus 10, and I get a sum of 26. A lot of times we use both properties. We use the commutative property to change the order of the addends to make it easier to add, and then we use the associative property to group the addends to make it easier for us to add. And when I change the order or group the addends, I try to make sums of 10. And again, this is going back to using mental math. Sums of 10 are easy for me to add in my head. For example, if we're trying to find the sum 46 plus 55 plus 24. First, I'm going to use the commutative property to change the order of the addends. So instead of 46 plus 55 plus 24, I'm going to flip-flop the 46 and 55, changing my order to 55 plus 46 plus 24. Then I'm going to use the associative property to group 46 plus 24. And I'm grouping them together because I saw in the ones place a 6 and a 4, and I know that that's a sum of 10. Whenever I have an addition sentence that is written horizontally, that means going from left to right, I like to rewrite it going vertically. It makes it easier for me to add. So if I rewrite it, 55 plus 46 plus 24. And I know that I'm starting with 46 and 24 because of the ones place where I had the 6 and the 4. So if I add those together, I get a sum of 10. And I don't leave my 10 in the ones place. I'm going to have to move it over to my tens place. And when I look at my tens place, I see a 4 and a 2. And I know that 4 tens is the same as 40, and 2 tens is the same as 20. Then I'm going to add my 10 from the ones place. So I add 40 plus 20 plus 10, and that equals 70. Then I'm going to rewrite my problem, and I'm going to put 70 in place of the 46 plus 24. So 55 plus 70. Then I add it up. I start in my ones. 5 plus 0 equals 5. And 5 tens plus 7 tens equals 12 tens. So that gives me a sum of 125. Now you try. Answer the 2 questions on your notes. Remember to use your addition properties to change the order and grouping of the addends so that you can use mental math to find the sum. See you tomorrow.